Hey there Free Fire warriors, want to make your character a total beast? In this video, I am going to show you how to add character skill in Free Fire. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open Free Fire and let's make some magic happen. On the main lobby, tap that character icon. It's usually hanging out on the left side of your screen. Choose the character you wanna power up, whether it's Chrono, Alok or Tatsuya. Pick your fighter. Once you pick your fighter, tap on Equip. Now let's add additional skills. You get 1 active skill and 3 passive skill. Active is your main ability. Passive is an extra boost like speed, armor or healing, etc. Tap the empty slot, pick the skill you unlocked and boom, they are equipped. Mix and match to fit your playstyle. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can add character skill in Free Fire.
If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.